Okay, what if you could actually build a real income stream using smart AI tools, even if you have zero skills or experience to start with? Today, we're going to dig into exactly how you can work smarter, not harder, to make that a reality.
Hey, you. Seriously, stop scrolling for just 1 second. Because what if AI could literally become your employee, working for you around the clock to build a genuine stream of income? And what if it did all that work in the background, even while you're fast asleep? I mean, that's the dream, right? That's passive income. And AI is finally making that dream a real possibility for pretty much everyone. This is where everything changes. You say, in the past, you needed to be some kind of coding genius or a marketing guru to make it online. But today, that huge barrier, it's gone. Honestly, all you really need now is access to the right AI tools. So in this explainer, we're going to break down 5 of the most powerful tools out there that can help you do this. And you're going to want to stick around because we're counting down from 5 to 1. And trust me, the last tool, it's the easiest and the most powerful of the bunch, by far. All right, let's kick things off. Coming in at number 5, we have the AI writing tool. Just think about this for a second. Imagine being able to churn out high-quality blog posts, articles, you name it, even video scripts, in just a few minutes, instead of the hours or days it used to take. We're talking about tools that can take a simple idea, a prompt, and just, boom, turn it into a polished piece of writing. So, the big question, how do you actually make money with this? Well, you could sell these articles on freelance sites like Upwork, or you could start your own blog in a specific niche and earn money from ads or affiliate links. You could even offer your services directly to businesses. It's a really clear path to turning those words into actual income. All right, moving on to number 4. This one builds perfectly on what we just talked about. It's the AI video tool.
Remember that whole no skills needed promise? Well, these tools are the perfect example. You can take a piece of text, maybe one you just made with an AI writer, and it will automatically create a full-on video for you. We're talking stock footage, music, a voiceover, the whole shebang. And making money from this is super straightforward. You just create these videos and upload them to YouTube or even TikTok. As your channel starts to grow, you'll start earning money from ad revenue. You're basically building an automated content machine that brings in cash.
Okay, coming in at number 3, let's talk about the AI voice tool. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Those old robotic computer voices, right? Nope. The technology today is worlds away from that. Modern AI can generate these incredibly realistic human-sounding voiceovers. You can pick almost any language, any style you can think of. This opens up a huge door to offering some pretty premium services. Think about it, professional voiceovers for YouTube channels, for company ads, even for audiobooks and podcasts. The demand for great voice work is always there, and you can deliver it without ever touching a microphone.
All right, we're getting close. Coming in hot at number 2 is the AI image tool. You know when you need a graphic for your social media or a really eye-catching thumbnail for a video, or maybe even some custom digital art? Well, these tools can generate incredible, professional-looking visuals in seconds. All you do is type in what you want.
So, how do you cash in? You could sell your designs on places like Etsy or offer your design services to local businesses. Or you can just use them yourself to make your own content that much better and more engaging. And here we are, the number 1 spot. This is the one you've been waiting for. Now, this is the most powerful one on our list because it doesn't just do one single thing. Instead, it's like the conductor of the orchestra. It ties all the other tools together. We are talking about the AI automation tool. I want you to think of this as creating a completely hands-off system. An automation tool can link all those other AI tools we just talked about. So it can tell the AI writer to create a blog post, then send it over to the AI image tool to make a cool graphic for it, and then it can post the whole finished thing to your website and all your social media accounts. And it does it all on a schedule you set. You set up the system just once, and it just runs 24/7. This is the ultimate set it and forget it way to earn. So there you have it, 5 incredible tools, and each one has a clear path to making you money. If you're really serious about using AI to build a new income stream for yourself, the opportunity has never been better than it is right here, right now. Honestly, the most important thing is just to take that first step. This tech is so much easier to use than you think, and it's just sitting there waiting for you to try it out. Don't get stuck thinking about it forever, that analysis paralysis thing, and don't wait for the perfect time, because it'll never come. The biggest mistake you could make is just sitting on the sidelines while this is all happening. The time to start is right now. Which leads me to the final and maybe the most important question of all. Now that you've seen the options, from writing and video all the way to full automation, which one of these powerful AI tools are you going to start with first?